40, 6 left plus, 130, down to square left in, 200, turn square left, 40, 1 right in, that's 1 right in, 80, small crest for turn 1 right in long, 100, nice one, that's it, that's more like it, 100, small crest, right of middle, 60 for 4 right in. Exit speed good now for 350, power on, and then 5 left long to turn square right. That's 5 left long to turn square right. $150. And keep middle over bump and junction, 200, power on. And 5 left, don't cut, 60. 5 right long, don't cut. 5 right long, don't cut, 60. 6 left, logs continues, 60 for turn square right, stay middle. Square right, stay middle. 80. 5 left, 60, 5 right long, 60, small crest for 3 right. 3 right over the crest here, 40, and 1 right long, tightens, 40, small crest, 60, slippy, continues for 1 left half long, 1 left half long, 100, 1 left half long, don't cut, slippy, 40, open hairpin right, slippy, continues,
belly dancing.
Yeah, 4 left long, and 1 left tight, to small crest, and 2 left tightens, 2 left tightens, 80, hairpin left long, tightens, this one, 60, caution, 3 right, tightens to open hairpin right, slippy, wipers maybe, 3 left off, and 4 left, 60, and 4 right to 3 left tight, and 2 left, 40 for 1 left long and 1 right long, 1 right long, okay,
Yeah, I've got to get it round. Sorry, I did hear you, just if I didn't keep it in I wasn't going to go round.
That's alright, I thought you were going for a lap of honour.
That was a good one.
Right done, mate.
Well done.
It's not what we've done, it's what Gethin's done now, isn't it?
I know.
Thank you, good morning.